ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಭಾಷಾ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಟುಡೇಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ICSE or CBSE. So, here a, sa, ra. How to make this the correct form? A, ra, sa. Arasa, king. Arasa, king. This is a character. This is a ra character. This is sa character. Arasa, king. Second one. Cha, cha, ma. This is wrong. Cha, cha, ma wrong. So how to make this correct one? Cha, ma, cha. Cha, ma, cha. Cha, ma, cha means spoon. Cha, ma, cha. Cha, ma, cha. Spoon. Next one. Next character. Sa, la, ra. This is not meaningful. So the meaningful word is sa, ra, la. Sarala. Sarala means easy. Sarala means easy. Simple. Sarala means easy or simple. Okay. Next one. The, na, ka. So the answer is kadana. 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 Kadana means war. Fifth one. Na, ya. So the answer is Nayana. Nayana means eye. Na, ya, na. For other videos, if you want basic Kannada, you can check my playlist. Grade first ICSE or CBSE or LKG or UKG basic Kannada. Yes. Fifth one, na, ya, na. Nayana. Next, sixth one. So the first read it here. Sara, arasa, chama, cha, sarala, kadana, nayana. Arasa, chamacha, sarala, kadana, nayana. Next, the sixth one is kalama. Kamala. 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 Kamala means lotus. Seventh one. Ganama. Okay. Answer is Gamana. Gamana. Gamana means concentrate. Eighth one. Gaparna. Ganapa. God. Ganesha. Ganapa. Ganapati. God Ganesha. Ninth one. Sayama. Answer is Samaya. Samaya means time. Uraga. This is Ugara. Uraga is the correct one. Snake. Yes. Kamala. Gamana. Ganapa. Samaya. Uraga. Kamala. Gamana. Ganapa. Samaya. Uraga. For other videos, you can check my playlist. Okay. Yes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please, comment please, share it maximum.